Hi folks, wanted to make a video to show you how to take this cover off and put it back on. And I'm going to show you how to put the cover back on the USB-C slot on the Action cam. Right now I have my microphone hooked up to it. Now we're just going to turn the microphone off and turn the camera off. I don't need it on now. And there we go. Got it. You got to pull it out. Make sure it's all the way out. Then you just kind of put it back in on that little bar that's there and close it up. All done.